Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, friends, today in this video, we are diving into the world of kitchen wall tiles, the secret to transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional space. So, whether you're planning to renovate your kitchen or you're planning to make a new kitchen designs, so in this video, I got you cover everything with trendy designs, practical tips, and budget friendly ideas. So, friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel for more interior and home decor ideas. So, let's begin the topic. So, why kitchen wall tiles matters? Because kitchen wall tiles aren't just about the aesthetics, they are practical too because they protect your walls from splash, grease, and heat while cooking. So, from sleek modern looks to timeless classic, the right tiles can make your kitchen feels like a luxury interior design. There you can see there are the beautiful designs are available from ceramic to porcelain. There are different types of tiles are available. So friends, now I'm going to tell you that what are the tiles price are currently. Like if you'll go with the local brands, the price starts from 200 rupees per box. And each box there are six number of tiles and one tile size is 1.5 into 1 square feet. That means it covers 1.5 square feet area. So that for six tiles, the total area will cover is 9 square feet. So in one box, 9 square feet area will cover, and each box price is in the look which I'm saying is the local brand is 200 rupees per box to 240 rupees. It totally depends upon the locality. And if you'll go with the branded tiles like Kazaria and Johnson, Orient Bells, so it will almost start you almost 400 rupees per box. So it is totally depends upon our choice and budget also. And for installing these wall tiles, the labor charges depends upon the locality. In our area, that 20 rupees per square feet is there, and it may be in some areas there may be 16 rupees per square feet. In some areas, there may be like big cities like it will cost you almost 30 rupees to 40 rupees per square feet. So it totally depends upon locality. So let's take some example to understand that how much it will cost for installing the wall tiles. So let's assume that our area is 5 by 10. So means height will be 5 feet and length will be 10 feet. So the total area will be 50 square feet. So and I told you that per box 9 square feet area it will cover. So you require 6 box, and each box price is 240 rupees. So the total for tiles it will cost you almost 1500 rupees, means 1440. And to fix this we require some cement adhesives. So it will cost you almost 500 rupees extra more, 5 to 1000. We will take 500 rupees. And another thing is the labor charges. So per square feet 20 rupees. So total area is 50 square feet. 50 into 20 it will comes 1000 rupees. So the labor charges for installing the tiles is 1000 rupees. Now we will add all this cost. So the 1440 rupees is for tiles and 1000 rupees is the installing price. 500 rupees is materials, extra materials like cement, adhesive, वगैरह. So for installing, the total price comes is 2940 rupees. To install 50 square feet area, it will cost almost 3000 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate. And if you'll go with branded tiles like Khazaria, so it will almost cost you the tiles that price I told you that 1440 rupees. So it will go almost 2900 rupees, almost double the price of this. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. And if you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel. and ring the bell icon for more interior tips and ideas. Check out my other videos for kitchen designs or living rooms, bedrooms. So friends, thank you for watching. Thank you once again, and we'll see you another video. Thank you.